Hello friend, in this video I'm going to show how to make aloo paratha and in the dhania wild potato and I have mashed it as per your taste. Flour for making aloo paratha quantity, and this is also we need kalanji and ajwain, and this is a kalanji. Oil. We are adding average chaat masala. This is a potato stuffing, and this is the wheat flour needed. Okay, and on the gas um, I want to tell you one more thing. Salt should be more than as usually, and again dust with wheat flour, and we are going to potato stuffing. Cover and seal it gently. And roll it gently, and roll it very slowly and lightly. Okay, we are putting some ghee. Okay, and turn it. We again putting ghee. Okay, as you can see, it's almost going to done. Now it is done, and paratha has been made with sauce.